Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome to the video that's going to make your bank account a little less sad. I'm Vincent, and today we're diving into 20 ways to make passive income online. That's right, money while you sleep, money while you binge watch Netflix, and money while you pretend to be working from home. First up, we've got affiliate marketing, the art of making money by recommending awesome products. Promote products on your website, social media, or in casual conversation, and earn a commission every time someone buys through your referral link. Getting started is easier than you think. Find a niche you're passionate about. Research companies offering affiliate programs in your niche. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share A Sale, and CJ Affiliate are great places to start. Next up is a big one, YouTube. You've probably heard that people make money on YouTube, but let me tell you, it's not just about becoming the next viral sensation. The key is to create engaging content that people actually want to watch. Once you've built up a decent following, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own merchandise. Consistency is key. So try to upload regularly and interact with your viewers in the comments. Now let's talk about digital products, the holy grail of passive income. Create something awesome once, like an ebook, a printable planner, or a cool Photoshop template, and it sells on autopilot. No inventory, no shipping, just pure profit. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and your own website make it easy to sell globally. So brainstorm some ideas and watch the passive income roll in. Blogging is a legitimate way to make passive income. All you need is a passion for writing and a knack for storytelling. Find your niche, create a blog, and share your thoughts with the world. Monetize through ads, sponsored posts, or selling your own products. You're the boss. Ever wished you could run an online store without dealing with inventory, shipping, or late-night packing sessions? Say hello to dropshipping. List products from a dropshipping supplier. Forward order details to the supplier, and they handle the rest. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your store. Find suppliers through AliExpress or Salehu. Do you have a smartphone and a pulse? Congratulations, you're basically a professional photographer. Okay, maybe not quite, but you'd be surprised at how much money you can make by selling stock photos online. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock Photo make it easy to upload your photos and start earning royalties every time someone downloads your masterpiece. So, grab your phone, channel your inner Ansel Adams, or at least pretend to, and start snapping away. Are you a whiz at something? Maybe you're a coding ninja, a marketing guru, or a ukulele virtuoso. Creating and selling online courses is a fantastic way to share your knowledge and generate passive income. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it easier than ever to create, host, and sell your courses. Create the course once, and it can generate income on autopilot. Print on demand is about to change the way you think about selling merchandise. This ingenious business model allows you to design and sell custom products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You create the designs, list the products on your chosen platform, and when a customer places an order, the print-on-demand company handles the printing, packaging, and shipping. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it easy to get started. Time to get a little fancy and talk about investing. You don't need to be a Wall Street whiz to master this passive income stream. Dividend stocks are like little money-making machines. They pay you just for being a part owner of a company. Always do your research and diversify your portfolio. Remember that dusty old camera in your closet or that kayak in your garage? Those neglected items could be your ticket to passive income. Platforms now let you rent out your stuff to people who need them, turning your clutter into cash. There's a market for almost anything. Remember that million-dollar app idea you had in the shower? It's time to start coding because mobile apps are teeming with passive income potential. Think about the problems you face or the things you wish existed. Learn to code or hire a developer to build your dream app. Monetize through in-app purchases, subscriptions, or advertising. Ready to dive into the world of e-commerce without the logistical headaches? Then Amazon FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, is your new best friend. You find products to sell, create product listings on Amazon, and send your inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Once your products are in stock, Amazon takes care of the rest. They handle the storage, picking, packing, shipping, and even customer service on your behalf. Have you ever dreamt of becoming a published author but dreaded pitching your manuscript to countless publishers? Ditch the rejection letters and grab your laptop because the world of ebooks is calling. Whether you're a fiction writer, a non-fiction expert, there's an audience out there for you. Write your book, design a captivating cover, format it, and hit publish. Amazon KDP handles the rest, from distribution to royalty payments. Are you a musical genius with original tunes waiting to be shared? Turn your beats into passive income by selling stock music online. Platforms like Audio Jungle, Epidemic Sound, and Artlist connect musicians with content creators searching for high-quality, royalty-free music. Upload your music, set your price, and watch as your creations generate passive income with every download. Remember all those breathtaking photos you've captured on your travels or daily commute? Those snapshots could generate passive income through photo licensing. Upload your photos to Getty Images, Shutterstock, and Alamy, where they can be licensed for websites, magazines, brochures, and more. Each license earns you a royalty payment, turning your hobby into passive income. Do you have a passion you're dying to share with the world? Maybe you're a fitness guru, a knitting enthusiast, or a master chef. Creating a membership site can build a community and generate passive income. Platforms like Podia, MemberPress, and Kajabi make it easy to manage your site. Do you have a voice for radio, or at least a voice that doesn't make dogs howl? Then podcasting might be your calling. Podcasts have exploded in popularity, offering a chance to share your thoughts and earn passive income. Monetize through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, listener donations, or selling your own products or services. Business. Are you a creative soul with a knack for design and a love for all things digital? Then Etsy might just be your new favorite playground. While Etsy is known for its handmade and vintage goods, it's also a fantastic platform for selling digital downloads, allowing you to turn your design skills into passive income. Think printable wall art, planners, calendars, greeting cards, social media templates, website themes, and more. Ready to dip your toes into the world of finance and become a lender extraordinaire? Then peer-to-peer lending might just be your ticket to passive income glory. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors, allowing you to lend money to individuals or businesses while earning interest payments on your investment. While P2P lending does come with some level of risk, it can offer higher returns than traditional savings accounts or CDs, making it an attractive option for passive income seekers. So there you have it. 20 ways to make passive income online without breaking a sweat. Which idea are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another genius idea. Thanks for watching, and remember, work smarter, not harder.